Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you get past the end of a printable page in Excel as defined by your current page setup, Excel inserts an automatic page break. Sometimes these automatic page breaks occur in places where you would rather not have them occur. They may leave data on a second page orphaned from the rest of the worksheet. Alternatively, they may leave the titles of columns on one page with the supporting data on the next page. Regardless of the specific printing issue, Excel lets you adjust the page breaks so all the data you want is scaled to fit on a single printed page. To change where page breaks occur in a worksheet, use the Page Break Preview. To open this view, click the Page Break Preview button that appears in the Workbook Views button group on the View tab of the ribbon. In the Page Break Preview, the page breaks in your worksheet are represented by dashed blue lines. Click and drag the dashed blue lines that represent the page breaks, and then release them where you want the page breaks to occur. Make sure the page breaks appear where you want them. To then return to the normal workbook view, click the Normal button in the Workbook Views button group on the View tab of the ribbon. Note that after inspecting the page breaks in your document by using the Page Break Preview window, they then also appear in the normal view of your worksheet as dashed black lines.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.